King Hurricane is a force with whom to reckon. His song is his introduction to his muses. I'll let the song speak.
Yes.
Very cryptic. I like it. Here goes nothing.
Call me King Hurricane. Oh, she shows the boys attention 'cause she don't get none at home. The queen of Carolina swears that she's the only one. Hot showers and cold sheets are her forte, yeah. Queen of Carolina calls me King Hurricane. Ashes to ashes, surrounding your trouble. Dust to dust to dust to dust to the girls who dare not cuddle. Your chicken legs are thumping me to the line of Mikey's bass. And forgive me, that's Bear on the bass. Lady Gaga singing sexy to my poker face. Call me. Call me. Yeah, yeah. Call me. Call me King Hurricane. Go ahead, Mike. Coconut curls and evergreen eyes were rock and roll heroes to try on for size. College girls driving out playing with fire and a foot in the mouth of an ever out. I'm gonna love up and leave you specimen right. First piece of candy, much thicker for bite. Don't want you over here after tonight, 'cause King Street is flooding after your flight. Call me, yeah. Call me, yeah. Call me, yeah. Call me King Hurricane. I see you red dressing on a greyhound with one silver wings, footsie flying, mile highing, 6 strings on wooden things. I see you sex having, neighbors staring. Now it's time to go, 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 go. And an untrustworthy neighbor safe and sound in an exit row. Turkey feather lost in a swamp fox's fire. Pheasant feather wrapped tight, tied in a copper wire. Copper wire linking the beads in a star of the sea. And a white headlighter with a hold over me. I could be your oops. Call me, yeah. Call me. Call me, yeah. Call me King Hurricane. Oh, she shows the boys attention, but she don't get none at home. The queen of Carolina swears that she's the only one. Hot showers and cold sheets are her forte, yeah. Queen of Carolina calls me King Hurricane.